What is QuillBot Paraphraser and is QuillBot Tool worth it? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the guide. QuillBot Paraphraser is an AI-powered writing tool designed to help users rewrite and rephrase text while maintaining its original meaning. It's commonly used by students, professionals, and content creators to enhance clarity, avoid plagiarism, and refine their writing style. The tool uses advanced natural language processing to generate accurate and context-aware paraphrases. The key features of QuillBot Paraphraser includes paraphrasing modes, that is standard, fluency, formal, creative, expand, and shorten. Synonym slider, which lets you control the level of changes by adjusting the synonym density. Next, integration options. It works as a Chrome extension in Google Docs or directly on its web platform. Its additional tools include summarizer, grammar checker, citation generator, and plagiarism checker. Now talking about is QuillBot worth it? Firstly, QuillBot provides free and premium plans at reasonable cost, so it's affordable. It quickly rewrites text with just a few clicks, so it's time saving. Its multiple mode cater to various writing needs, and intuitive design makes it easy for beginners, so it's user-friendly. It also produces contextually correct and readable outputs. Talking about the cons, it has very limited free versions and creative output issues occurs. Some paraphrased text may lack coherence in creative mode. And the plagiarism checker is only available in the premium plan. Nevertheless, QuillBot is an excellent tool for anyone who needs assistance with paraphrasing or improving their writing. Its diverse modes and features makes it versatile, while its affordability makes it accessible to most users. And the free version is perfect for casual use, but the premium plan is worth the investment for students, researchers, and professionals who frequently work with text. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.